Hello guys, welcome back to day 24 of my Kaftan Design Challenge, and thank you for following up from day 1 to day 24. I really appreciate that. And if you need any of my purchase file, you can purchase them in the link in the description box, which is on fourth wall. So before we move on, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more videos from me. So let's continue. So I'm going to be removing some things here. So let me delete this front pocket. Yeah. Then I'm going to delete this. I'm going to also delete all these parts. Yeah, this. Okay, I have this, and the one on top too. Yeah. Okay, and yeah, we have this too. So I'm going to do this. Yes. So I've simulated because I want it to. Okay, yeah. So this is okay for me. I'm going to stop my simulation. I want to create a point around this. So don't know if I should. Okay. Let me see if I can create something. No. Okay, let me create set X here. Okay. Let me set it to like 50. Okay. 49. 49. Let's say 48 or 47. 7 is fine with me. So that's 47 there. I'm going to like, don't know how. And if the line is not aligning, coming, bro. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I think this is okay. If I'm right. I'm going to select A, right click, and I'm going to button. So apart from that, yeah, I'm going to layer clone over. So we have something like this. Yeah, so I have something that looks like this. And stop my simulation. Yes, I'm right. So I think what else I'll do is this. We can create a small. Let me select this and no, not this now. Oh, sorry, they are linked. I've forgotten they are linked, so I'm going to remove link editing. Select this and bring this down. Yep. So this is what I'm going to do. Where is B? And this B and this. I'm going to delete. It's showing there. Yes. I'm going to delete the showing. So yeah, so I'm going to select this and offset as internal line. And I'm going to okay, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, I'm good with this. Let's go with this. Okay. If I move on, let's go to Clo3d to download something. So Clo3d, yes. I'm going to go to trim. So I'm on trim here. Wow, earrings. So I'm going to select these. I'm going to search for economy. Yeah, so let me see if I can get the one I want. Not really economy that. Okay, I think I'll go with this. This one, I'll go with this one. I'll go with this. I should go with this. Let me go with this. Why am I clicking? I'm supposed to add it to cart. Add to cart. Yeah, add to cart. So I'm going to download it, purchase and download. Okay, so I'm going to download it here. Yeah, so we are done. Okay, let me select this and go to download and just paste it there like that. Yeah, Control V. Yeah, we have this. So I'm going to click on this and yeah, segment zone. Yes, can actually apply it on all of them. All of them. There's a lot. There's a way to do this, but I'm not sure. How am I even applying it on all of them? Oh, anyone is fine actually. Let me just zoom closer and I'll save this file again. So I'm coming. Let me. I don't know if I'm because I don't want to take too much time. Where is my folder? Yes. So this folder. I'm going to drag this inside. Just touch the first one here. Yeah. So we have this here. You can see it too. As long as you've added the top stitch here, you should see it there. So that's something like this. I'm coming. So um I think 5 is fine. So 5 is fine. Is there anything that involves I don't need space. Custom. Nope. Okay. Let me see here metal. This is what I wanted to check is metal. So I think we are good to go. I'll use this. Yeah. So I'm just going to select this and select this. Okay. So we have something like this, or something like this. And some of these things you need to just adjust the internal line. You need to adjust the internal line for you to get the exact shape you want. So that's it. So the next thing we're going to do is to texture. So I'll go on that, like add the fabric to it. So let's go to ChatGPT. Suggest two fabric color I can use on Kaftan. That's double B, an error from my side. Yeah, so I'm going to copy this one. let me just select A. I'm going to select this first. I need to copy this or duplicate this. Let me put it like that. Copy. I'm going to select this one and put it on this. Then I'm going to select this, select this, select this, and Clo3d. Here we have this. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to select the champion gold, copy. I'm going to go back to Clo, select this, and I don't know if this is making any sense, but then so you have something like this. But then maybe I should change the top stitch to gold instead. Let's see how it looks like. I don't know what I think. Okay. Let me just use this pocket patch for this side pocket. Yes, and the other side pocket. Yes. I think this is not bad. So this is our design for day 24. Okay, the remaining one thing I've not done here is the thread. This color. Yeah. Let me go back to ChatGPT and copy this midnight blue. I'm going to select this and Ctrl+V. So we are done with design for day 24. So thank you for watching this tutorial from Clo3d the Creator. Don't forget to click on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get more video from me.